Hey travelers, ever wondered how to turn your economy class flight into a business class experience? Well, let's dive into some tips and tricks to make that happen. First, head over to Kiwi.com and use the NOMAD function to plan your itinerary. The NOMAD function is a tool designed for travelers who want to visit multiple destinations in the most cost-effective way possible. Instead of booking each leg of a trip separately, the NOMAD function helps you find the cheapest and most efficient route by considering all possible combinations of flights. Having a travel buddy can make your journey much more enjoyable. You can share snacks, watch movies together, and even help each other stay comfortable. Plus, it's always nice to have someone to talk to and share the excitement of your trip with. The business class experience begins before the flight. Find a cozy spot in the airport like a lounge or a quiet cafe. Enjoy your favorite coffee or tea while watching planes take off and land. This peaceful time can help you relax and set the mood for a pleasant journey ahead. After your drink, head to the gate early to board first. This gives you time to settle in and prepare for the flight. Once on the plane, take a few minutes for a quick skincare routine. Use the in-flight TV as a mirror to apply your skincare and freshen up. This helps keep your skin comfortable throughout the flight, especially on long-haul journeys. Feeling fresh can make a big difference in your overall comfort. Choose your favorite food from the in-flight menu. Pamper yourself with a sparkling drink. Chin-chin to your next great adventure. Don't forget the bar at the back of the plane with unlimited drinks. Use this time to explore and relax. Use the in-flight guides to plan out any last minute of your trip. This is very helpful in case you are behind on planning your trip. Enjoy the outside view recorded by the plane's camera. It's a unique perspective that many overlook. When it's time to sleep, make sure to get up and stretch first. Do some exercises and stretching to loosen up your muscles. This helps improve circulation and makes it easier to get comfortable in your seat. Remember, the more relaxed your body is, the better your sleep. Preparing your mind is just as important as preparing your body. Take a few minutes to meditate or do some deep breathing exercises. Use noise-canceling headphones to block out any distractions and focus on your breath. This can help calm your mind and get you ready for restful sleep. Before landing, freshen up with a quick skincare routine to be ready for a new day. Bonus tip: if you are flying with a low-cost airline, ask for an exit seat. They're often available and provide extra leg space. Don't hesitate to ask a flight attendant if you can move to an available exit seat. They usually say yes. Also, don't be afraid to use your travel buddy as a comfortable way of sleeping. It's all part of the fun. And there you have it. Some tips for an unforgettable flight experience even in economy class. Make sure you apply some of these useful tips to elevate your flight experience. Safe travels and enjoy your next journey.